So guys, this is Deepankar's bike, project bike. This is technically a Continental GT 650 that has a turbocharger to it, and its dyno horsepower figures are crazy off the charts. So it is putting out around 95 brake horsepower on the wheels. That means on the crankshaft it is putting out almost 15% more, above 100. So yeah, this is something crazy. The headlight is of a Ducati Monster. The forks are of a Benelli. Even the rims. And the exhaust is of Race Concepts. It consists of an air filter from KNN. So yeah.